Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to uninstall apps on your Android phone. So we got the home screen apps right here. We can just simply hold down on them, just like this. And if we hold down on them for like 2 or 3 seconds, we can see the option to remove them right here. Now sometimes if you drag this around, you'll have the option for like a trash can up top. On my Samsung phone I don't, but on your other Google Pixel phones or Motorola phones you might. So that's how we can delete them. Under there we can do the same thing under our apps list. So if we see something on here we don't want, like this QR scanner, I can just hold down on it and uninstall it. Boom, it's gone. Now another way to do this is if we go to the top right, swipe on down, go to settings. Then locate apps. Under here it will just be apps. Tap this. Wait for this to come up and locate the app you don't like. So you can just search for it now. So maybe one of these apps down here. So let's go to one app right here and then just delete it. So I got Fortnite on here, for example. Tap it and then here's the uninstall. So you want to go to uninstall and that will remove it from your phone as well. Now there's going to be some apps you can't delete because they come pre-installed on your phone. One of the apps for me is Google Chrome. I can go to it. I do have the option to disable it. So if you disable this app, it won't show up on your home screen or in this app list, and you won't see it under there. Another way to hide applications is if we go to the home screen and just hold down on it and go to settings. Now this is only for your Samsung phone. Your Google Pixel Motorola won't have this option. But we have the option on here for hide apps on home screen and app screen. And you can just hide the apps you don't use under here. So if you don't like these pre-installed apps, you won't see them anymore. If you go ahead and do this, like Google TV I hid, and then you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.